Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'll do the daily recap. This is the last trade of my day. If I take another trade after this, then I'm kind of like not really. I'm not after. If I take another trade after this, then I'm really not disciplined enough to even call myself a good trader or a profitable trader. But yeah, this is the last trade I want to take for this day. This is on my funded account. I just want to target a 1 to 3 or like a 1 to 2 where I reach 100 USD, so I can just I just can stack up the days till until I can reach a payout. So going into into this day, I thought New York market is gonna open at 15:30, but it's 10 March, and I'm pretty sure the US or yeah, I think the US, the time is like 1 hour earlier now before Europe. So I think the US does it at 9 March and Europe does it at 30 March. So that's why I did not know that market opened already at 14:30. I wasn't aware of that. So I kind of already got like a bit annoyed about that, which already kind of messed with my mental. But beside that, in previous video, I was maybe looking to get like these highs ran and then filling this weekly gap and then going lower, but we ended up like straight up going lower. We had this Asian low. I did not trade it because it was at 12 for me. Then I trade that. I was looking at this setup, just keeping this in mind that it could happen, like that we could see a rejection. I was looking something like this, that we could see this happening, but I did not trade it because this kind of straight up went down, no rejection at all. Then really I did not take any. I'm pretty sure I didn't take any trade on NQ. I might have did, but I'm not sure, 100% sure anymore. But then no setup really in this. YM on the other hand, I did take like a couple trades, although they were like none of them were my setup, none of them. So really, what I can like get out of that is that I'm actually like kind of trading stuff, which is really not my setup. Cause the thing I want to be looking for is like some of these highs getting ran and then seeing some rejection. We got this Asian low here, just get ran, no reaction at all. So beside that, I had like the previous day low also not getting ran, and yeah. Although we had this and the rejection, that was not my setup, so I cannot take it. Then I've been kind of experimenting with imbalance fills, and I've been seeing that they work quite well. So I saw this opportunity right here. Wait, let me remove some lines so it's more clear. Yeah, this line right here, this imbalance right here got filled with this candle. We started going back up. I entered there on a like small lot size, not a big one, the same one as this, 2 minis or 2 micros. I think, yeah, 2 micros it's called, 2 micros. And we started pushing up. We hit my break even was at like 1 to 5 RR. I decided to break even, his break even, and then it goes to 1 to 3, which was my profit target. So break even trade on there. Right now I'm doing like the same setup. We got this imbalance right here that's got filled. We see a rejection happening. Yeah, that's basically it. I set my break even after this low got taken, so I'm risk free right now. This low got taken previously, and then we're just ranging within this zone. I want to get a 1 to 3. I did take this trade before. We went all the way back up. I saw another rejection, so I was like, okay, let me re-enter. The trade before got me out on break even, so either this going to TP or hits my break even. And yeah, that's basically the trades that I took on my funded. On my live account, I took a gold short, which was this. I took this gold short, which I have no like reasoning for me to take, although I was just taking someone's signal, which is not good, I would say. But yeah, there's no fanciness in me saying that I took someone's signal, but it did work out. That's on my live account. There was one trade. Then I took let me see which trades I took on more. I took a buy. I'm pretty sure that this buy I took on my live account as well. I got out on break even. Then I forgot that I had a limit order set on my live account. It got hit right here. Live order got hit right there. Then hit my stop loss right after. Now I made 80 on this, lost 20 on this. Then I took this trade on my live account as well. I ran all the way down to oh no, wait, that's wrong. yeah, I ran all the way down to like a 2.1 to 2.5, which was quite a bit. I was quite up a bit. But then it came all the way back up, hitting my break even. I was kind of tilted about that. And then I saw a rejection happening, which led me into like just getting in a bad trade and pushing that trade for no reason, which led to my stop loss getting hit, which I should not do in the next trade in like coming days, which I really have to focus on, like not getting my emotions too piled up and just letting them take over, which I should focus on really. Although this is the last trade for the day, yeah. No, I'm not gonna take any more trades. I did take 2 losses, which was the limit order I forgot that I had, and the rush trade that I had on my live account, and then I took this 1 win, and that's basically it for the day on my live account. So I'm up 43 euros on my live, and I might get up a bit on my funded, but that just depends if this trade plays out, or else I'm just break even for the day. And so that's basically it for this video about which trades I took. If I recap this day, I really should not have taken like any trades at all on my funded, because there's literally no setups for me to take on my funded, because none of these are like my strategy that I have been backtesting, and that days like these happen and I should just ignore them. Just go off the chart, do your thing, and never look back at it. On my life, a real issue that I have to fix is the emotions. I was too emotional with the short that I took, which is really bad. I cannot like let my emotions get in the way of my trading. I have to be more disciplined, and yeah. Although today, I would say that today I've been really more focusing on my mental and really realizing that at sometimes I get these triggers, and I just try and get those triggers to fade away. I've been noticing them and really like seeing that I can let them fade away. But the reason why this trigger actually like I acted on it and let it take over of me was probably because I had this really like push down and it came all the way back up, which tilted me quite a bit, and that's probably why I rushed that trade. What can I do to prevent those things? In general, it was like not to trade it at all. There's no reason for me to trade this, not my setup, and I think the fix that I can have for this whole is just not trading setups that are not my setup. So coming into tomorrow, I want to do the same thing, hop on the charts at the same time, but this actually at 14:30 since that's at market open. Don't let my emotions get over me. Actually trade my setup. If my setup is not there, don't trade. And that's basically it for what I want to do. For tomorrow, I'll do yeah, that's basically what I want to do. What do I think will happen tomorrow? I don't really know what's gonna happen tomorrow. We've been quite bearish, although day has not closed yet. I do think that we could see a push back up, taking out these Asian highs, previous day high, or at least getting somewhat close back up, then just closing really bearish today. I don't think we will close really bearish on YM and NQ, although this is quite bearish. We might close bearish on NQ, but I think we will see some kind of retracement going back up on in the remaining of the day. So yeah, that's what I think that will happen. That's it for the day. What's gonna happen tomorrow? I don't know. I just have to focus on myself, that I don't overtrade, don't let my emotions get the best of me, and that I just focus on what I see, the models, and the things I actually need to focus on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow again, and yeah.